There is the Genghis Khan statue, or Genghis Khan. You can go all the way to, well, not the top, but you can go to where, kind of like where his body meets the top of the horse. So you'll be right near where his scepter is. Here we are at the actual statue, going to the entrance. And there's the statue on the left. This is a big monument for people in Mongolia. Or people who are visiting Mongolia. It's also very big here. Okay, we're outside here by the statue. Now, it's not my camera, but this looks a little crooked. Look at the stairs. They look like they're sinking. I don't know if that's on purpose. I just found that kind of funny, but this was not built that long ago. Maybe within the last 10 years. So I think the base is very old. We're going to be going to right around this area. They have an area you can walk out right around here, kind of like where you see the little, I guess, can't really see, you can see the railing there. But that's where we're going to be going up. Walking up the steps, lots of them. And like I said, at least from down there, they look crooked, unless the bottom part was crooked. Because when I'm walking up here, this way, on the stairs, it doesn't look as crooked. Some kind of illusion, whether on purpose or not. Here's some stuff in the basement of the monument. Now this is interesting because it says this is an actual yurt, even though they call them gurs here. But that's what they put it there as. And there's the Mongolian wrestling statue. There's a puzzle game. A very old wooden box. Some nice colored art here. Here is a silk painting. This depicts Kublai Khan, who was later one of the relatives of Genghis Khan, in Persia at the time. This is in the 1200s, I believe. Actually, all these pictures of all the Khans, or kings after Genghis Khan, going all the way to 1634. So, this is them. All starting with this guy right here. And at the very top there, that's a picture of Temujin, aka Genghis Khan, or Genghis Khan, how I would pronounce it. And here, someone told me, are some of his soldiers. And here is the biggest boot in the world, from what I'm told. All right, we're gonna try to go up top now. Okay, we're here at the top of the statue. Had to climb the stairs, so I'm almost out of breath. But here it is. And that's where we came from. Video from the top again, looking down. Here are some camels here in Mongolia. These are Bactrian with the 2 bumps. I've seen these in Illinois, but obviously they weren't native to Illinois.